That is playing ano. You cheer, Papa.
So, wishes again from our very own Coach Brandon. Just announcement, if you guys have girls, if you have daughters, ages, or grades 4th to 6th grade, Uprise basketball team and AA basketball team, they have a free basketball game for girls on Monday, 5:30 to 7:30. Summer is going, and some of the other girls are going. At the play. Rebound by Jason Downs. Jason all the way to the basket. The red team. 5 points na lang, Team Harlow. Sumahabol ang ating white team. From 11, they made the lead down to 3 points for the blue team. Coach Brandon. Again, Coach Brandon is part of the Uprise team. Our kids play with Uprise. If you're looking for an AAU team, Uprise is the team to go. Uy, nice pass! And 25, Kuya Mitch. First personal foul, second personal foul, Mitch. Hayop on the free throw line. Remember, you have a fast one at the corner. You shoot without a gun. Ay, sabi niya wala. Sorry. Pwede ka mag-sabi. 62-56. 6-point lead by the blue team. Si Kuya Mitch. Kuya Mitch at 3. No good. Actually, dapat niya nang wala. Substitution. White team, Kuya Jel, on 3. 3 points for the white team. May 3 points talaga yun, Ate Marcos. Magaling sa 3 points si Kuya Jel. Madami kayo nag-discover, di ba? Sa mga ano nila, laro na nila. Akala mo po ba ito? May laro din. Jason on 3. Well, rebound by Brandon. Brandon to Paul Leslie. Paul Leslie. Ooh, super basta pa. Jason foul. 2 points in. Jason, 3 personal fouls. Second team foul in the second half. 64-59. Paul Leslie on the free throw line. Ooh, almost a 3-point play. Rebound by Jason Ramsey. Jason to jumper shot. 2 points for the white team. Yay, Niones. Niones pa rin. Kuya Lloyd. Sunny. Sunny, jumper shot. Fadeaway shot. No foul. Hindi nakita ni Red. Hesitation shot.
Pinapasa sa akin.
Wala ganyan na, nakita kayo.
English. You don't have English. Ikaw mag-English. Kanina pa ako English.
Dalawa talaga naman. Pero may iba. Isa lang pala umamin. Bakit dalawa kayo umaamin?
Mahirap yan. Ayan.
Kuya Johnny Rejan, is the power? Is the power?
Ayun! Wala nga nang kombinasyon. Isa pa.
Kailangan daw ng basahin yan mamaya, Abby. Kasi pagod na pagod.
Ayun!
We will play for Mr. Payo, MVP of Season 1. Alam mo ba yung Abby, MVP siya ng Season 1? Hindi ba nakikita sa'yo? Tignan natin kung siya ang magiging MVP for Season 3. Wala! Pinakasinta, jumper shot, nice jumper shot, 2 points for the blue team, 17, 69, 65, 4 points lead by the blue team, ang lakas, Payo.
Hinulungan
2
pa!
points for the red team, 67, 69, 2 points lead, 3 points for Espino, good to the rescue. Sunny Orange, we love you. 2 points for the blue team. 71-67. 4-point lead by the blue team. Sunny. Back to the ball game. 71-67. In favor of 71. That's the blue team. Defense. Blue ball, honesty is the best policy. Coach Brandon, Kuya Mitch, back to Coach Brandon, the sunny jumper. Uy, rebound by Payo. Payo. Defense daw sabi ni policy.
I was waiting for you.
Uy. Third personal foul for 14 foul for the blue team. Jason Ramsey on the move. Defense by Brandon. Mr. C on 3. No good. Rebound by Sunny. Sunny, push it. Nice! Kuya Mitch, hindi mga ganyan dalawan pa tayo. Parang bata kung Kuya Mitch, ha? Keyboard sa Kuya Mitch.
Ayun na.
Ay! 73-67, 3 points. 3 points, Coach Brendan. Uy, but not so clear. Foul?
Foulin kasi ginagawa nila.
Ano ba kasi yung dyan? Parang sinapaw. Sige, one half kayo. Paano? I-shoot mo dyan? Di ba nagkakaroon? Ano ba? Ayos ka. Kailangan niya yan. Pero mahaba pa. 11 minutes and 29 seconds. It's everyone's ball game. John Comito. Rebound to Coach Brandon. Brandon to Sunny Orange, we love you. Jumper shot, Sunny. Rebound by Jason Ramsey. Wait, 2 points. Jason Ramsey, 69-76, only 7-point game. And we have a lot of fun on our hands. Uy, Kuya Dan, focus na yung ating jumper shot. 2 points for Lucy Dan Salumo or ating Marek Show. Kuya Orly. Ay. Steal by Sunny. photogenic shot. That's a Morocco shot. 3 points! Aray, naku. Sakit sa ulo. Substitution, 10 minutes. People can sub out, sub in, sub side to side. Uy, nice pass! Sa ilalim. Rebound by Sunny. Sunny Orange, we love you. All the way to the basket. No good. Rebound. Substitution when the ball is dead. Uy, nag-iisay si Ate. Substitution, 2 points.
Pagod ka na pula.
Ito ang maraming tao sa buong game. Thinking isa lang ang ating record. Very clear. Vitamin A. Rebound by Jason. Fast break. Fast break. Ano naman ang tapalo? Pero wala. Paul Esme. Relax kasi 10 points na naman. Bakit kayo nagmamadali? Si Kuya Mitch. Kuya Mitch si Johnny Reza. Pumasok sa loob. Uy, kanya kaya. Rebound. Tao, Kuya Mitch. Kuya Mitch, nakakailan ka na? 3 ka na ha. Tornado warning. 16 foul for the blue team. Third personal foul, Kuya Mitch.
Dalawa na lang.
For white team, we only have 16 fouls.
Dapat na.
We can run and jumper shot. So it is white ball. Jason Ramsey on 3. Kuya Orderly. No good. Rebound by Milo. Sam to the rescue. Rebound is Sam to Paul Esme. Paul Esme. Nice. Shoot yung kanina. Nakalo niya si Paul Esme. Ang Kuya Joy. Kuya Alex. Dahil kalibo. Substitution direct. Kuya Mitch out. Blue team. By 8 points. Pressure daw, pressure. Di ba kanta ni Bruno Mars? That is what you are. Di ba kanta ni Pressure, that is what you are. Kuya mo, pwede lang kanta. Pressure. Three points! Jason! 2 points na pala. Sorry, 3 points minus 1. Jason, 81-75. 5-6 point lead by the blue team. Uy, napababa na nila. 6 points na lang. Stay alive to the blue team. Sunny to John Nagaja. One of our veteran players is Sam. One of our younger players is Sunny. Another younger player. Kuya John Kalibo. Have a mixing. Sam on 3 points. Swish. Sam, 3 points. Going to 84-75. Tayo. Down. Kuya Jan, ano ba dalawa kasi kayo dyan? Dalawa din yung umaawin. Jan, more personal foul. Pareho kayo. Uy, naagaw si Kuya 2 points for Mark Fowler, 77-84. Lead. 18 counts. Nice rescue by Zachariah. 86-77. Substitution when the ball is dead. Foul. Hoy, penalty na ano? And so on and so forth. Mark Hyatt on the free throw line. First shot, good. One more that. Sabi ng Team Carlos.
Rebound daw.
Another shot for the white team to put the lead down. Uy, living out of fire. Kung kailan naman inalita Brandon on the wing, 86-78, nice pass. Ganun ang mag-surprise. Tumali kayo yung pass mo agad. So, for those parents who have daughters, ages, or grades 4th to 6th grade, apply for the free basketball clinic on Monday, 5:30 to 7:30. Some of our girls are at so please do register. I will send you the link. Coach Brandon. I know. Coach Brandon, you understand Tino. That is cool. 10 team now. Coach Brandon, second person. Two shots. Mark Payet. First shot, no good. Rebound daw, sabi ni Red, stats coach.
Four.
Wish on the second shot. 79, 86. Paul Lesky on the move. To John Reja. To John Tempo. May higat na pag sinabang ko dalawang John. Kasi yung tawag John. Substitution. Kuya Alex Paul. Kuya Joe.
Dito yung ball sa amin.
In and out. Pareho. Penalty na kayo, blue team. 3 minutes, 41 seconds left in the ball game. Coach Brandon, defense by Mark Fowler. 2 points for the white team. That's Mali Lori. Mark Fowler, second personal foul. 3 team fouls. Nangyari penalty. Alayo pa ang umaga. Coach Brandon versus Jason. Good defense from the white team. By John Samuel. Mahaba pa yan. Mahaba ng dot. Wow, counted. 3 points. A chance for a 3-point play. By Paul Lesby, season 2 MVP. Kuya early dalawang na yan. 2 personal foul. Pero ka pa, it's okay. Paul Lesby, 3-point play by our very own season 2 MVP, Paul Lesby. To Kuya Jan, back to Jason. But si Kuya Jan nakakarang. Jason, Brandon to Paul Lesby. Paul to Kuya Jan Ibo. Jan Ibo, pass to rebound by Kuya Jan. Ang mixing naman ni Kuya Yoy. 3 points pinagsinta. No good. relax lang daw. Sabi ng ating last 2 minutes. Ganun ba sa Pilipinas? Ang tama ba? Ang nasa follow ako.
Ay, kung pretibig yan na. Shot! Wala. Okay. Hindi narinig.
Umibang tayo. Ang lakas sa ilan. Tayo ito dyan. Ano yun? Yung 45 minutes sa 180 degree turnaround. But it's a turnaround shot from my father. Rebound by Jason Rapp. 81-83. Only 3 points naman sa rebound. Rebound by Brandon. Defense by Marpayo. Nakalusot. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan naman tututunan ng mga anak niyo po sa upright. Of course, tinuturo din yan sa basketball clinic natin dito. Foul on Lloyd. How many? Second personal foul, 4th team foul. Malayo pa sila sa penalty. 5 team. 48 seconds left in the ball game. Only 6 points. Dalawang oras lang yan. Don't give up on me, baby. Jumper shot? Ay, hindi pala. Ooh, easy points. Kuya Mitch, assist by Sammy Meneza. 3 points. Basket! 3 points. 86-91. 5 for 3. Good